Start with soak laundry rinse for easy no-rinse care. Switch to Eucalan if your hand wash load is mostly wool. Choose by fabric, soil level, and rinsing. For most lightly worn delicates, buy soak laundry rinse. It works across silk, wool, lace, rayon, and cashmere. Its no-rinse format removes the most annoying step. That makes it the practical default for quick refreshes with less handling. But it is not designed for stubborn marks. Some detergent remains unless you rinse anyway. It is also more readily found online. Skip it if grime is common or you always want a complete rinse. For sweaters and hand knit pieces, choose Eucalan Delicate Wash. Its lanolin suits wool, cashmere, knitted garments, and wool blankets. It leaves a softer finish while avoiding a rinse step. The compromise is versatility. Lanolin residue can retain grime on fabrics outside that lane. It is also derived from sheep's wool. Skip it when your hand wash pile is mainly silk, rayon, lingerie, or when you want a vegan formula. For delicates needing more than a refresh, buy Dirty Lab's Hand Wash and Delicates Detergent. It suits body oil, persistent odor, food marks, and daily grime. Use it on bras, underwear, silk blouses, or napkins. You get stronger cleaning for harder loads. However, you need to rinse, adding time and fabric handling. It costs 51 cents per wash and comes only fragrance-free. Skip it if economy or no-rinse convenience matters more. Quick Split. Soak handles most lightly worn delicates. Eucalan specializes in wool and cashmere. Dirty Labs tackles odor, marks, and everyday grime. Before buying, check the fabric label, decide whether rinsing bothers you, and separate refresh loads from genuinely dirty garments. Start with soak for routine refreshing. Switch to Eucalan for wool-heavy loads or Dirty Labs when marks and odor need stronger cleaning. Then add a wash basin to simplify hand washing. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.